Prime Minister announces election date. Jamaicans will go to the polls on September 3.
Cash, rich and ready. The Jamaica Progressive Party says it's ready to go to the polls.
17 beaches and 19 rivers ordered closed as new rules for entertainment sector. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. We also have sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Now, our feedback question for this evening, Janella, is as political campaigning goes into high gear, what national issues are you most concerned about and why?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.